Where to buy Beautyrest Hospitality mattress? If you're on the hunt for a Beautyrest Hospitality mattress, you're likely looking for a combination of comfort, support, and durability that these mattresses are known for. Let's break down where and how you can get your hands on one of these top-notch mattresses. First, it's important to note that Beautyrest mattresses, including their hospitality line, are widely available through various channels. One of the best places to start your search is by visiting authorized retail partners. Beautyrest has a network of stores where you can find their mattresses, and you can locate these stores using their store locator tool on their official website. Simply enter your location, and you'll get a list of nearby stores that carry Beautyrest products. Another option is to check with hotels that use Beautyrest mattresses. For instance, the Beautyrest Hospitality Plush Tight Top mattress is available in Best Western hotels. While you can't buy these mattresses directly from the hotels, knowing which hotels use them can give you an idea of the quality and comfort you can expect. If you prefer to shop online or need more specific information, you can also contact a Beautyrest sales representative. They have representatives and manufacturing plants located across the globe, so you can find one near you to get detailed information about the products and where to purchase them. Beautyrest also partners with various retailers, both online and in-store, to make their mattresses easily accessible. For example, you can find Beautyrest mattresses at Sleep Country and other major bedding retailers. These retailers often offer trials and exchanges, which can be very helpful in finding the perfect mattress for your needs. When purchasing, it's a good idea to check the specific features of the mattress you're interested in. Beautyrest Hospitality mattresses often come with advanced technologies like air-cooled gel-infused foam, gel-touch foam, and the legendary pocketed coil technology. These features ensure optimal temperature control, comfort, and support. In summary, to buy a Beautyrest Hospitality mattress, you can visit authorized retail partners, check with hotels that use these mattresses, contact a Beautyrest sales representative, or shop through partner retailers. Each of these options will help you find the perfect mattress to enhance your sleep experience.